Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we shall see how to take a screenshot on your phone. There is one common way to take screenshots on all phones. To do so, press the side button, which is the main button of your phone, plus the volume down button together. The side button and volume down button can be on the same edge or opposite edges of the phone. Different phones also have different ways to take a screenshot using gestures. For example, on Samsung phones, you can take a screenshot by placing the edge of your palm on the screen and moving it right to left. Some phones have other gestures like swiping 2 or 3 fingers from up to down or even by shaking the phone. You can see what is the gesture for screenshot in your phone by going to settings and searching for screenshot in tips or the user manual section. Do try this out and tell us your experience. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can call us to know more about such tips. We also help seniors with any tasks like home delivery of grocery, medicines or movie tickets, planning a vacation, online payments, anything that seniors need. Just tell us and we'll get it done just like your children. You can call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411 or download our app. The link is in the description of this video. We are eagerly waiting to hear from you. Thank you and see you again soon.